Hello guys, in this session, like previous session, we have already discussed about how to display hello world in Python. We just create our basic programs, right? So let's proceed for the next. So I warmly welcome to all of you. So like very simple example, suppose you want to print number of information. So in that case, like I given like Python is used for Gen AI. And again here I given like print. So you can use single quotation, double quotation, both of it even. Python is used for AI and ML. So simple control enter and you can see let's run this. Same way you can add numbers also like I given here a equals to 1, b equals to like 2, c equals to a plus b. Okay, Python is a scripting programming language, so simply have to print here like I given here c. So you can see 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Here if you want the same code I can just modify here like I paste it and here I just make like this. Suppose I don't want this line, I can escape this. So here I can write simple like double quotation or single like a sum is equals to comma like a plus b. Arithmetic operator we have to use, so this is where you can use it. Same way you can go for subtraction, multiplication and division as well. Okay, let me take a number of cell for the next program. So just paste it here like a minus b, a multiply b, a divide b. Okay, so this is where you can go for like how to use the multiple variable. Okay, how to use multiple variable Python. So here suppose I take it like text equals to I mention here hello students, and another I just took it here like txt1 equals to like here I just mentioned Python is used for data science. Python is used for data science. Okay, data science. Okay, so I just want to write print, and here I just give it like txt first variable. Okay, and another I just print here like txt1. So here you can see guys it's printed, but I don't want to write this print function number of attempts as per the variable. Suppose I have two variable I print two time, I don't want. So same way you can do this like here you can simply print. So I will write here print and I remove the second one. So here Python is a very nice feature. You have to the comma separator, you can take a multiple variable txt1. Okay, so now this is coming the same line I want in next line. So again I will take a next step. So we have to the backward slash n for new line. Suppose I'm just breaking from here backward slash n to see it's a gap, but same I can use from here the second line backward slash n. So you can see Python use for just coming for the next line. Okay, so this is way you can use it. Okay, same as suppose you want to add normal numbers like here is mentioned like 10 plus 20 I get to 30 here. Did you see here? The same way you can, because Python is a scripting programming language, so this is way you can use it. Okay, now if we talk about like a multi-line string, so how to use multi-line string here? So in Python you can use single quotation, double quotation. So how to use multi-line string in Python? So suppose I take a string 1 str1, okay, equals to, so here triple quotation and here is mentioned like multi-line. Okay, and here like can say Python is used for Gen AI, generative AI. Okay, and here we have just close a triple quotation and simple print it. Print string one str1. So run this. You can see here. Same as I can take it here like single quotation as well. Three times I remove this like three times. One, two, three. Single quotation. Once you take single, so without shift you have to use and run this. You can see here. Okay. So this is way you can make a multi-line string. Okay. Now, if I want to like I want like a two text here. Like suppose I mention here like a first name equals to I given here like Ankur and last name I given here like L underscore name because once you declare variable make sure variable never understand the blank space, that's why you have to give in here the underscore. Here I given like Amit. Now I just print here print and here is given like result is equals to or output is equals to. So even you put the quotation as well as normal way you can use. First I want to show the first way like first name, okay, plus last name, okay, L underscore name, make sure variable should be correct. So once I run this you can see Amit and Anku coming to, but I want a space between. So what we have to do, I want to space. So again, I have to use another plus here, and here you can give in the single quotation or double quotation. But make sure once you give it, you have to also space between. If you're not given a space, it will not work. See, so I will just space it out here, run this. So see, you are able to see the space here. Like sometime what the student did the mistake here, they just put the double quotation and they say, oh, it's still not working. So make sure you have to space it out. Suppose I give in space one, two, how many time want, you can give the space. So given two, so it's coming two. Even you can take a single way as well, like this. You can take a single also like this. Okay. So once you run this, space, again you have to space it out. Just like in SQL as well. So this is way, this is called string concatenation. Basically, you can do the string concatenation. Okay. So we just covered up the basic things, how to use the multiple variable and how to concatenate as well. Okay. And addition, subtraction, how to display hello world, how to use single quotation, double quotation example. So this is where you can use it. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much guys, and see you next session. Take care everyone.